All right, hello everybody. I am going to do a quick unboxing video. And yes, this is a virtual background, as you can see when I move my hands, because I am fostering a dog who may join during the video, and I have everything behind me covered in bed sheets. So this is a little bit cuter, I think. Now, I am lucky to have gotten this My Little Mascara Club package in the mail, and I'm going to show you what they sent me. It's super cute. I think I've seen some memes during this pandemic that says that the new sports is watching when packages that you've been sent are being delivered to you, and I definitely agree. I've been watching like my FedEx tracking and UPS tracking and USPS, all of that, to see what I'm getting, and this is definitely one of the cuter and more exciting things I'm getting. So there's also cute stuff on this side, like My Little Mascara Club and Create Happy, and my address, which you don't need. Anyway, so here is what is in the package. There are some reusable makeup remover wipes. I have a magic makeup eraser, and this is similar but smaller, which is great because for me, especially if I'm doing podcasts or videos, I don't wear a lot of makeup. So just having one side each to use as opposed to the whole big thing, I'm really happy about these. And they actually work. You don't even really need to do anything except get them wet. You don't need makeup remover or anything. So I recommend these, and I think it's cute that these are available. I also have this little box of Happy, and on the other side there's a message. It says, "We believe women deserve to feel awesome and happy and confident and beautiful and whole. So we create mascara plus moments of happy." Let's see what is in this box. Oh, cute! There's a fortune cookie. I may as well open it. I've broken my fast for the day, so let's see what we have. I'm not going to eat it on camera, but I'll open it and see what my fortune is. So, okay, so be you. Your unique contribution to this universe makes it complete. I like that. That's cute. Thank you. Let's see, I've got some business cards here with nice little affirmations. You are beautiful. Yes, I'm talking to you. Create Happy. And you are worth it all day, every day, just as you are. Create Happy. And then there's information on the back as well. So it looks like you can just hand these out, or there's little missions on there to help create happy. Oh, those are disappearing in the background. So I'm going to check these out and do these challenges because they remind me of my Bold Moves Fearless Friday challenges. Let's see what else we've got. Okay, so this is the best little mascara ever. So you know that I'm a makeup artist, and you know that I have an online makeup course and a makeup book. And one of the things that's important is not keeping mascara, or especially eye makeup products, past their expiration date. And if you're like me and you don't wear makeup every day, that could mean wasting a lot of makeup. Well, this service sends these, and they are cruelty-free. You can see the leaping bunny thing on there. And so it's fantastic because then you don't have to worry about throwing away mascara if you just use a little bit. So I think this is a cool idea. I know they have a subscription service. I'm going to put this in a blog, and you can have all of the information about it there. But I do like that it comes into this cute little container, minimal waste in the packaging, and with it just being pretty much sample size, you can use it and not worry about throwing a ton of mascara and then, of course, money away at the end of 6 months or however long it takes you to use it before it expires. So I'm a fan. There's also this cute bag that says But First Mascara and has a website, mylittlemascaraclub.com. I have promo code for you too, so you can make sure that you get this cute free bag as a gift. Make sure you check that out. I love it because honestly, now that my skin has calmed down, it used to be that I couldn't live without concealer. Now I think mascara is one of the most important makeup things. So I'm really excited to try this because I think there's so many times that I'm trying something new with eye makeup and I'm like, this looks really weird. And then once I put mascara on, it fixes everything. So I love this. I'll give you more information about the subscription and stuff later too. And then we have fresh mascara remover, micellar water with cucumber, also cruelty-free. And it says you can put it onto the makeup wipe. My experience with that wipe is that you don't necessarily even need something, but obviously it can't hurt. This is, you can see the dog kind of shows up. There he is. So Thank you for joining Q. But yeah, this is what also came into my package, and it sounds like it has some pretty good ingredients and will be good for your skin too. So if you need a little extra effort or you're using waterproof mascara, there's Q's face again, then this will be something that will be helpful for you and also comes along with. So as I said, this is going to be a blog post too. The link will be below if you are interested in trying this out. All of these goodies, I'll have information on how you can and how you can get the free gifts and stuff. So thank you so much for watching. And as always, be bold, have a sparkly day, and yeah, make sure you check out this My Little Mascara Club.